Whether you're getting online for the first time or already have an established business, having a strong online presence is critical to sustaining and growing your business, especially with the holidays approaching. So in Mailchimp Fashion, we're making it easier for you to get online and start selling, equipping you with the tools to put your customers at the center of your marketing and drive sales for your business. Let me show you a few highlights on how to create your website, start selling online, and build your customer base. Domains are ready to use out of the box. Search for and purchase a domain that fits your brand and use it to build your online presence. From email to landing pages to websites, Mailchimp has everything you need to show off your brand. Mailchimp customers can also purchase a G Suite add-on with their custom domain. With it, you can create a branded email address to maintain a cohesive and professional experience across all of your customer touchpoints. And you'll also have access to G Suite features like Google Calendar, Google Drive, and more. Once you've claimed your domain through Mailchimp, start building your website for free. Our Enhanced Website Builder is our best web development tool yet. This is far more than a drag-and-drop tool. Built with design at its core, our builder optimizes and elevates your site style, while also giving you full control and flexibility to bring your unique vision to life. We've also made it even easier for you to start selling from your website with our new Buy button. Simply add a Buy button to your website to start selling quickly and effortlessly get your business off the ground. With Mailchimp, you have everything you need to manage your online business and build your customer base. You can drive traffic to your site through social channels, digital ads, newsletters, and more. You can also use pop-up forms to help you establish new relationships and grow them into lifelong customers. And if you already have an online store, just connect it to Mailchimp to bring all of your customer data into one place. Our mobile contact scanning tools are also a quick way for you to pull your contacts into Mailchimp. Once you've imported your contacts, you can analyze your audience behavior to create more personalized marketing. Our website behavioral targeting lets you know who is visiting your website and their navigational behavior, so you can better segment and target based on activity. And you can run surveys to find out more about your customers and use those results to target them with the kind of messaging that they want to hear from you. To date, our customers have sent more than 200,000 surveys, generating more than 3 million actionable data points. We're powering our tools using machine learning, backed by our experience, our scale, and extensive marketing data, to give you more confidence and control over how to grow your audience and your business, freeing you up to nurture the ideas that made your business a reality in the first place.